G.I.A Automotive. Today I'm going to show you guys how to plug up a tire with a nail. It doesn't matter where the nail is. You got to find the nail, you got to find the hole. Sometimes you're lucky and you find the head of the nail. Sometimes the nail falls off and you got to spray it with some soap and water. Let it bubble up. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to remove the screw, and when I remove the screw, I'm gonna use my tool to open up that hole bigger, scuff up the hole, wind it up to get our plugs in there. So first things first is get that nail out. Get that nail out, and as soon as you get the air coming out, stick have the tool nearby. Make sure you do it away from your eyes. This nail can shoot out at you. But alright, so I need a second screwdriver or some wire cutters. Okay, here she comes. Stick your tool in there. Turn. You hear the rubber inside of it tear. Okay. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, where I upload tips and tricks and things I come across in different types, makes, and models. This is a 2018 RAV4 all-wheel drive. But this is a basic standard procedure to plug up any tire, any you can do this at home. You can get yourself one of those small air compressors you plug up into the cigarette lighter, fill up your tire, make sure there's a lot of pressure in the tire, like 50 pounds, 35 pounds, whatever the manufacturer tells you to fill it up to. And then once you have enough air in it, spray it with some soapy water, and you'll find the leak. Common areas where the rim leaks are along the rim, the bead where it sits. You'll see like this. You'll see bubbles coming out. So spray along there. Spray in here. Sometimes this little valve here, there's a tool for it. This is called a Schrader valve. You unscrew it counterclockwise to loosen it, and that's a real common thing too. Sometimes they leak from there. Alright, so today is cold outside, and I'm gonna go sit back in the car, warm up the strip that I'm gonna squeeze into here to fill it in here, press it into it, and recheck for more leaks. So stay tuned for part 2. Alright, G.I.A, we're back here. Give it a little twist and push. Want that to go in a little bit more. Sometimes you gotta take out the tool and do the same thing again. Okay, that's good. Alright, so now twist around. Twist this carefully, softly. Don't yank it out, because you can pull out that plug you just put in there, and it'll come out, and the plug will stay in there. Alright, so now it's out. I heard a little air try to come out. So what I'm gonna do, push it in more with my pliers. Now the extra excess layer here, cut it off with a knife, shave it off. That way you eliminate the possibility of it pulling off on the road. What is inside the tire has already plugged up the leak. I'm gonna spray it one more time to verify that there's no more leak there, and there's no more leak anywhere else, because I checked the rest of the rim and tire. So that's it. Like and subscribe. I'll keep you guys up to date, informed. Simple automotive repair. You guys can do this at home, save some money, and have the feeling of accomplishing something on your own. That is priceless. Thank you for watching. Talk to you guys next time.